Good afternoon, Mr. G. My name is Antonio Rios, and today I will be talking to you about Toyota and their best practices. I found this article in the Harvard Business Review. It was published in June 2008 by Hirotaka Takenouchi, and the title of the article is The Contradictions That Drive Toyota's Success. There was a study that took place in a matter of 6 years in 11 different countries. Toyota is actually considered one of the best companies due to its production system, which is called the Toyota Production System. Competitors, as well as post offices and even hospitals, try to implement Toyota production like systems in order to be more efficient. Described as a hard innovation that allows companies to improve the manufacturing process, Toyota has also mastered the soft innovation, which is relatable to its corporate culture. Employees have to operate in a culture where they are constantly challenged and must come up with fresh ideas. That is why Toyota constantly gets better. Together, soft and hard innovation move the company forward. Rivals that try to imitate often overlook the culture aspect of it, therefore, are not successful while trying to implement the system. Toyota fosters contradictory viewpoints from their employees within the organization, challenges employees to find solutions by transcending differences. Employees feel safe and even empowered to voice contradictory opinions to their superiors. Each individual in the Toyota production system is expected to act accordingly to what he or she thinks is right, voicing a contradictory opinion, exposing problems, and not blindly following the boss's orders. These are all permissible employee behaviors. Toyota resembles a failing giant in several ways. Toyota pays very low dividends and hoards cash, which is very bad in most companies. And even senior executives have models, which is never be satisfied, and there's always had to be a better way. To save money, the company turns off the lights, and in its offices in lunchtime, staff members often work together in one large room due to the high office space costs in Japan. In meetings, the language is kept very simple, so everybody can understand and participate. By setting near unattainable goals, Toyota senior executives push the company to break free from established routines, allowing employees to channel their energies in different directions and forcing specialists from different departments to collaborate across the rigid silos in which they usually work. Toyota doesn't modify its automobiles to its local needs. It customizes both products and operations to the level of the consumer sophistication in each country. Many companies either promote or ask you to leave if you are not well for the company. But Toyota doesn't do this. It doesn't wait out its underperformers. It actually focuses instead on upgrading their capabilities. Thank you, Mr. G. Have a great day.